Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So welcome to another episode of Small Shopping Saturday. Thank you for joining me, and I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I am doing okay today. So, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out all my hundreds of crochet tutorials and all my yarn content that I have available. On Saturdays or every other Saturday, I try to, as often, as many Saturdays as I can find people, I try to highlight small businesses. And so I have one for today. Now this is one that maybe if you follow me, you already probably know this person. We all know and love her. Her name is Rose from Roselikescrochet. Now she has an Etsy shop and she sells things on it. So I'm going to open it up and show you. So I've bought from Rose many times. She sells stitch markers, and I would, and other things too. But I would buy her stitch markers and put them in giveaways and stuff like that. So this is not the first time that I have purchased from Rose, but it is. I wanted to highlight her shop on my small shopping Saturday. So I'll put a link below to her Etsy shop and to her YouTube channel. You need to subscribe. You're going to love her. Love her. I love her a lot. Alright, so let's see what we got up in here. I'll show you some of the things that Rose has to offer in her Etsy shop. Remember, link below to her shop and to her YouTube channel. You can check her out. She does great charity work on there. Okay, shipping time is always great with Rose. It's always just a few days. Doesn't take long. She's quick and everything like that. Thank you for supporting my small business. There we go. Yes, she's Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Check her out at all those places. Oh, man. All right. We come down to what we got here. Let's see. Now, first thing I'm going to show you is some stitch markers. Now, Rose makes these stitch markers, and she sells them in her Etsy shop. Like I said, I bought them many times before. I've always loved them. And I give them away in giveaways. And sometimes I keep some that I really like and enjoy. So, they come in these little purple pouches. Generally, and they'll have like a card or something with them. So this is just a few that I bought just to highlight. She sells many bunnies. Bunny is my favorite animal. I'm a huge animal lover. Bunnies are my favorite. Those are adorable. Then I got candy canes. Candy corn and syrup. Oh, it's Christmas ones. I love Christmas stuff. Beautiful. Pink butterflies. Adorable. Love them. I'm just highlighting a few. Oh, these are cute. Blue fishies. Rubber ducky. You see, I'll keep some of these. I will put in giveaways or just what I don't use stitch markers whenever I crochet. I use yarn, and if you watch me crochet, you probably know that I just use a piece of yarn. But what I do is stitch markers that I like. I use them as zipper pulls on all my jackets because I have quite a jacket collection. Those are adorbs. I'll probably keep those. They're all adorbs, but I can't keep them all. So, and she puts candy in them, which I have to keep here. Otherwise, everybody eats it at my other house. Ooh, those are beautiful. Oh, umbrellas. Cute. I love them. I love Rose's stitch markers. Oh, I have to keep these two. These are so cute. I'm going to put them on my jacket. Little hot dogs. On a spatula. Put that in my keep pile. Those are adorable. Ooh, those are pretty too. Look at that. Seashells. Beautiful. Beautiful. I just can't get... oh, I got to keep these two. These are adorable. She had different colors, but I had to get the brown ones because the brown is my favorite color. Mushrooms, so I'll probably keep those. Those are in my pile. Oh my gosh, these are adorbs. Look at these cows. So cute. Ooh, look at this one. This one's knitting needles with a yarn ball. Well, I can't knit. I don't know how to knit, but it's so cute. It's a nice stitch marker. I love it. These I have to keep too. I remember getting these saying I'm going to keep these because I have just the jacket that these will go on. It's a rainbow jacket. I will use it as a zipper pulls. Beautiful. I'll keep that in my keep pile there. I love highlighting small businesses. It's so much fun. I have a couple other things in here too that's not stitch markers I want to show you. Ooh, Diva disco balls. My daughter Evelyn needs that for a zipper pull. I'm going to keep this one too. Nostalgia. I'm huge on nostalgia. This was my first Care Bear that I had when I was little. So yes, I'll keep that one too. Oh, sloths. Adorbs. I like those. What we got here? Oh, these are some plains. Cute. She has so many different ones. Seems like there's more here than what I thought. I don't know. These I love. I love the Victorian era. It was my favorite. I tried to decorate my house Victorian style. Not this one, but my other one. I'm going to keep those. Those are gorgeous. Gorgeous. If you can see my phone case, it kind of looks like that. I'm going to keep those too. Oh, and I have to keep these little lobsters. They are so cute. You guys watch SpongeBob? It's Larry the Lobster. Little frogs. So those are cute. Those remind me of, I got a lot of frogs at my other house. Adorbs. Those are beautiful too. I can't keep any more though. If I could, I'd keep them all, but I do have a lot of jackets, but some of them have a lot of Freddy stitch markers on them already that people have sent me. Oh, that one's cool. Look at that. It's a ball with little hearts in it. They move around. That's cool. I like those. Man, I gotta keep these too. I collect shoes. That's another thing that I collect. I have a huge shoe collection. I gotta keep these. And you know what? And I will put these on my I got quite a few Converse. I'll put these on a pair of my Converse. A couple pair of them. And yeah. I do that sometimes too. I'll use stitch markers to put on some of my shoes. Yes. Okay, that's the last one I'm keeping. I'm not going to keep any more. Although I want to. I won't do it. Those are pretty. I'll put them in giveaways. Oh, I like these too. Breast cancer awareness. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm almost done here with the stitch markers. I'll show you a couple other things and then I'll be gone. Oh, those are really pretty. I like those blinging out bees. Those are beautiful. All the little turtles. My husband will love those. He might want to use one of these for a pool, stitcher pool. He likes turtles and elephants a lot. Those are cute. Beautiful. I love skeleton keys. Look at the diamonds on them. Love roses. My favorite flower. Beautiful. Okay, I got one more pack here of stitch markers. And that'll be it on that. Starbucks. I don't know. It looks like that boba tea stuff. Is that what it is? My daughter drinks that stuff all the time. Cute. Ice cream cones. Evelyn would probably like that for her. Does it say something on it? Oh, it says besties. Oh, that's cute. That's adorable. Oh, those are pretty. Look at those coins. And I got one more here. Oh, these are really beautiful too. I like those. Okay, so those are just a sample of some of the stitch markers. Now, remember, I'm not keeping all those. I cannot keep them all. I'll put them in giveaways. Keep this candy, though. I'll keep it for here. And some of these stitch markers, are, like I said, I'll use for jacket pulls. Sometimes I put them on shoestrings in my shoes and then whatnot. I'm weird. I'm sorry. I have so many things that I collect that it's ridiculous, isn't it? You can tell me I'm ridiculous. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple other things that she has in her shop. So, when I bought from her, her stitch markers run, I think anywhere, they're different prices. I think they average out about $5 maybe, pack, something like that. Depends on if they have 1 or 3 or, you can check it out. Remember, check her shop out below. But when I purchased from her, and she emailed me back and asked me if she could send my daughter Evelyn, who is 6, something that she sells on her Etsy shop. And I said yes, even though I don't like to receive free things from people, but Rose is a very good friend. So I said that I would, and she sent this for Evelyn. She makes these in her Etsy shop. These little loveys. Isn't it? Evelyn's gonna love that. It's got the whole body on it too. See that? And then she crocheted the little lovey blanket around it. Oh, thank you very much, Rose. Evelyn will love this. She knows that Evelyn's favorite color is pink. Thank you very much. And then Rose also makes things and sells them in her Etsy shop. Crochet wise. Well, I don't know if you know me, but I'm not a big fan of crocheting blankets. I do it sometimes, but it's not my favorite thing to do. Well, I saw this in Rose's shop, and I thought my daughter would love it. In fact, I know she will. So I bought this blanket up for Rose to give to my daughter, Evelyn Rose, that we call her Rose. Isn't this pretty nice work on that, Rose? You can tell that this is done with the Red Heart Super Saver stripes in that flamingo color, I think. That is gorgeous, corner to corner. Look at this border she put the little polka dot white around it. Nice job on that, Rose. That's beautiful, isn't it, guys? It's big. Evelyn will be sleeping with this tonight. And her new lovey. I love it. Thank you, Rose. Now, I did buy this one. I did buy this. And then I bought one more thing that I wanted to showcase of that she sold as well. Rose has some beautiful shawls on her channel. And I'm not a big fan of lightweight yarn. In case you don't know that either. So I seen a really pretty shawl that was made with a lightweight yarn in my favorite color. And I thought I just had to have it because even though I do not wear too much crochet things, I don't wear a lot of it. I do occasionally buy shawls from people, crochet or knitted, because I like shawls. They're very beautiful. I myself really don't wear them, but it doesn't mean I don't enjoy them and enjoy the art. So I saw this one and I thought, that is beautiful. Look at that one. Brown is my favorite color. Look at that. And she made it with it looks like it's is this asymmetrical, I think. It's done with some type of 2-weight cake, probably. I'm not sure what one is done with, but it's very, very pretty, isn't that? Anyway, she sells these and many other beautiful shawls. I don't even know how to wear this stuff, but in her shop as well. It doesn't match my outfit. Normally I would I like that, Rose. That's gorgeous. It's beautiful. You know, I might. This is a lightweight one. I could wear this, you know, in the spring. That is beautiful. Nice work on that. I like this one a lot. So let me know what yarn this is too. This is some type of hobby cake or something. That is beautiful. Isn't that pretty? So that's it. That's all I got from Rose. So I just wanted to highlight a few things. So I got the beautiful lightweight shawl, which, like I said, occasionally I'll buy a knitted or a crochet shawl from somebody, because even though I can crochet my own, doesn't mean I don't want to support other people that do it. I can't knit though. And so she has plenty of shawls. And the blanket I bought because I don't like making blankets and my daughter likes blankets. So there we go. So I got that from her too. And she did send this for Evelyn for free. Thank you so much, Rose, for that. She'll love it. And the stitch markers I did buy. And seems like there's more here than when I bought, but I don't know. They're all beautiful. I love them all. Look for some of them in giveaways, or I'll do something with them, you know. The ones I'm going to keep, I'll use as zipper pulls and shoe things. But other than that, I think Rose has an awesome Etsy shop. I check it all the time for new things, and I watch your channel all the time, so I highly recommend it. And thank you again. Remember, her Etsy shop will be below. Link to her YouTube channel will be below. Check her out. If you haven't subscribed to her, go subscribe to her. You know, we love to show our fellow YouTubers some support. And go check out her Etsy shop. Even if you can't buy anything, you know, give her some, favorite her shop or heart some of her items. That helps Etsy sellers out a lot. Yeah. Thank you all for joining me on Small Shopping Saturday. Rose, I love everything. I do. If you're watching, let me know what yarn this is in the comment section. I have to know. It's brown. I have to know. All right, guys. I'll see you I'll see you before then, but I'll see you, I don't know if it'll be next Saturday or the Saturday after, but I'll have another Small Shopping Saturday for you some Saturday soon. All right. I love you all. Stay safe. Bye, guys.